get your oil change, come here. And if you come here, it's mostly the best place to get your car done. And this place is to come here. Ask them, tell them your name, and if they forget, tell them again, and tell them again, and tell them again. That's how you tell them not to forget.
Anything else?
And if there's a TV on, don't come in the waiting room here. Because the waiting room is kind of not that fun. So, we don't want that. And if you are a kid and you're bored, why not come to a walk?
Show the cars?
Oh, and here are the cars. Ours is getting a little changed. It's the white one all the way in front. So we are getting an oil change. That's fine.
You want to walk outside and show them the inside of the garage?
Here is the other side of the garage. Here it is.
Oh, wait, sorry.
Here we are. And the other side is here. This is where our car is in. That's our car. And we don't want to do it, so we got the oil changed. And if the oil's changed, that means you go to the fair and get one of these. So if you get one of those, you can read it, and it's a Bible. It's a Bible. It's not really a Bible, but you read it as, I don't know, but it's not really a Bible. Just read it as one.